So on our 7-acre farm here is our biggest farm site by far. There is not a month that we're not growing something. We have mints right here that grows like a weed in the Midwest. So we put it in here to contain it. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. Anyone else? These are the same
Spearmint or
varieties.
peppermint or what?
I think these are spearmint. That one is chocolate mint. So you should try
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
You should try that. Some
had
people
chocolate
can
mint?
smell the chocolate.
Never.
Others can't.
It's pretty crazy.
Because it's really good for cold and flus.
Like in fancy restaurants, they use the baby sorrel.
Yeah.
You see,
I haven't ever seen the baby ones
my
yet.
God.
like
Does it
they're really
taste different?
small. Yeah.
Really
Yeah?
sour.